What's up guys? In this video, I want to show you how to change Mercedes A-Class key fob battery. If your key looks like this, the battery changes just exactly the same way. First, push this small button, pull out the key cover, or take out the key as a helping tool and push the button, then pull out the key cover. Take out the battery. This key uses CR2032 battery. After that, change the old battery with the new one. Next, insert the battery. Then, close the key cover until you hear click sound. Finally, insert the key. Okay, done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button. Have a nice day.